The Ashthorpe 61-key keyboard kit is a fantastic option for beginners, offering a full-size digital keyboard with light-up keys to make learning easier and more enjoyable. Its bright LCD screen and built-in functions provide users with rhythm programming and a variety of control options, allowing for versatile music composition. With 255 timbres and rhythms, alongside numerous effects, this keyboard delivers excellent sound through its built-in speakers while also offering private practice with headphones. The included learning modes, such as One Key, Follow, and Ensemble, along with 50 demonstration songs, make this keyboard an excellent educational tool for beginners. This comprehensive keyboard kit comes with essential accessories like an adjustable stand, stool, headphones, microphone, and keynote stickers, ensuring a complete setup for any new musician. With its integrated output jack for headphones, input jack for audio, and microphone jack, the Ashthorpe keyboard is designed to meet all your musical needs.